Welcome to Everyday English. Welcome, everyone! In this video, we'll explore essential cooking phrasal verbs for everyday life in the kitchen. Let's dive right in and cook up some language skills.
Turn on. To start a cooking appliance. I'll turn on the oven to bake the cake. Heat up. To make something hot. Please heat up the leftovers in the microwave. Boil over. To overflow while boiling. Be careful, the soup might boil over if you don't watch it. Simmer down. To reduce the heat to a gentle boil. Let the sauce simmer down for a few minutes. Chop up. To cut into small pieces. Can you chop up some vegetables for the stir-fry? Dice up. To cut into small cubes. I need to dice up some onions for the salsa. Mix in. To combine ingredients thoroughly. You should mix in the sugar before adding the flour. Beat down. To mix ingredients until smooth. Beat down the butter and sugar until it's creamy. Pour out. To transfer a liquid from a container. Please pour out the tea into cups.
Sprinkle on. To add a small amount of something evenly. Sprinkle some salt on the popcorn. Blend in. To mix or incorporate smoothly. Blend in the herbs for a rich flavor. Put on. To start cooking or heating. I'll put on a pot of water for pasta. Melt down. To change from a solid to a liquid due to heat. Melt down the chocolate for the fondue. Squeeze out. To extract liquid by pressing. Squeeze out the juice from the lemon. Taste test. To sample a small amount to check for flavor. I like to taste test the sauce while cooking.
Scoop out. To remove with a spoon or scoop. Scoop out the ice cream and serve it. Take out. To remove something from an oven or appliance. Don't forget to take out the cookies from the oven. Boil down. To reduce the volume of a liquid through boiling. Let it boil down until the sauce thickens. Grill up. To cook on a grill. We can grill up some burgers for dinner. Fry up. To cook by frying in hot oil. She's frying up some eggs for lunch. Whip up. To quickly prepare a dish or drink. I can whip up some smoothies for breakfast. Cut off. To remove a part with a knife. Cut off the crust from the bread. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.